Welcome to AK's Bright channel. Today start the 4th class 12th computer application page maker. ஓகேங்களா? So editing the test in the document. How to edit the test? We can type the paragraph, select the paragraph, select the word using this editing test. Editing means making the changes to the test. Editing means making changes to the test. When you edit the document, you revise the test. Editing encompasses many tasks such as the inserting, deleting words and course correction errors and moving the copy test different place document. Use this editing. Okay. Editing means modification, some modification. Already we can type the paragraphs, some little changes using edit method. Selecting the test. Test can be selected using the mouse or keyboard. The two things using the select the test. Okay. Next, selecting test using the mouse. The selecting test using the mouse following the steps. So inserting the point to the left of the first character to the selected. First character to the selected. Press the left mouse button and click and drag. You can select the position, go to the cursor and click and drag that paragraph fully selected. When to stop the selecting, release the mouse point, the selected text gets highlighted. Okay. Two types is there. Word selection means double click. A paragraph selection means double click. Very important. Double click and triple click. Okay. To selecting the text using the keyboard. Selecting text using the keyboard following the steps. Place the insertion point to the left of the first character you wish to select. Shift key, press down arrow. Movement keys are used the highlighted the text. Okay. The keyboard is released, text is selected. So all of you understood the mouse selection and keyboard selection. This is very important. One character to the left, shift plus left arrow. One character to the right, shift plus right arrow. One line up, shift up arrow. One line down, shift down arrow. To the end of the current line, shift end. To beginning of the current line, shift home. Entire document, control A. Next, delete the text. So if you unwanted text, before the select the paragraph, afterwards press the delete key, that text is removed. You can easily delete the character and word, block of text. Delete character of the document. Position the inserting point to the left of the character to be deleted. Press delete key on the keyboard. Position the instruction point to the right of the characters to be deleted. Backspace key on the keyboard. Delete the block of text to the following. Select the text to be selected. Press the delete or backspace keyboard or edit clear. Any method, choose and delete it. Undo means previous action. Before that, whatever doing the action, that is called the undo. Undo command is use the reverse action. The last command, the reverse last command. The click and do or control Z. Then copy and moving. If you want the repeated data, using the copy option. Copy and paste command. The PageMaker can be used the copy text from the one location, the document and paste another location. The copy command create the duplication. A copy means duplication. Select the text, leave the original text unchanged. The paste command paste the copies, the text and the position where the instruction point place. Cut paste. Cut and the paste command used to remove the text from one place to one place in a document in the order. The cut command delete the selected text from the original position. The paste command, the place the test to the position where the instruct. You copy or paste. If you want the copy, select the paragraph and press copy. If you want the same paragraph or if more than time, paste. If you don't want, cut. Move the test. The select the test can be easily cut the paste is the required location. Select the testing to be moved. Edit cut menu bar or press Ctrl X. Keyboard, click the right mouse button and choose the cut from the top of menu. Instruction point is moved to the place where the test is to be posted. Edit paste. Menu bar, the press Ctrl V. The keyboard, click the right buttons. Choose the paste from the pop-up menu. Yeah, this is the shortcut key. Control X, cut, Control V is paste. So all of you understood, friends. If you continue watch my video, continue learn this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share your friends, put it comment. Very useful now. Lockdown period, not having book, 12th computer applications, 12th students very useful this video. Thank you.